Recording?
Yep. This is Black Op being racist. That's the black guy right there. Okay, black guy's dead. Game doesn't end. Now that dude's white. Oh, you shoot him, the game ends.
Wait. But now, I'm
Wait.
going to shoot the white guy first.
And now my friend is going to shoot the white guy first. Oh, look at that. Game ends right away. What the fuck?
So racist. Oh my god.
Watch happens again. Shoot the white guy first. Oh, game ended. Okay, now you shoot the black guy. Oh, watch. Game doesn't end.
And he takes like 1 hit to kill.
Want me to stop?
Racist Black Ops.
Has Black Ops racist, nigga?